Let's discuss about numeric streams. Now, as the name suggests, numeric, they are useful when we have to process primitive numeric data types, right? When we have to process primitive numeric data types instead of objects, then it's better to go with numeric streams. And that this data could be like integer, long type or double type, okay? So we have three important interfaces like int stream, long stream and double stream. They are specialized for numeric data processing. Okay, let's discuss them briefly about them one by one. So int stream is going to represent a stream of integer values. Okay, now it has multiple methods to work with primitive integer value. We will talk and we will also write some program in upcoming videos. Long stream, this is going to represent a stream of long values. Okay, now again it has a number of methods to process them. And the last one is double stream. So double stream is going to represent double value, stream of double values. Again we have methods to perform numeric operations on double primitive values, right? Now there are some important methods like sum, average, mean, max, map to int, map to long, map to double, which we'll be using in upcoming videos, and we will be practicing coding. We will be taking some sample data set and we will be processing them and we will be getting the result for that. So till then, stay tuned.